I've got a squishy
Hey,
head.
is this anybody's? Because I think it's mine.
It's yours.
Okay.
Go for it. All right. And Matt, if I wish to hear a dog barking in the distance, getting closer, what would it sound like? I want to get that checked out. All right, if I was to start a lawnmower, what would it sound like?
Take those mics right out, guys. Take them right out.
You can take
The
them.
mic's up? Oh, okay, that's much better.
If I was to start a lawnmower, here we go.
It's a helicopter.
All right, fantastic. And if I was to kick Nate in the balls, how would it sound?
Yes.
All right, perfect. All right. Our scene is, we are, fantastic. We are actually in the 1880s, and it's, where's Leighanne? Did we lose Leighanne? Are you doing this? Are you doing this? You're doing this. We're in the 1880s, and we're going to have a showdown at high noon.
Oh!
Showdown at high noon.
Showdown
Now
at
you
high
get
noon.
Leighanne, Marin, you get special new guest, Nate.
Whoa! Whoa!
So, yeah, give me your best. Fair enough, that was good. All right, here we go. We should probably be fighting over a girl.
Probably.
Yeah, done.
Or cows.
Or cows.
Girl cows.
Click clack, stick them up.
So I hear you've been rolling with Rhonda. Yeah. She's mine. She's my cattle.
Your what?
My cattle.
She's your cattle?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think she likes that.
She likes it when I prod her. That. Yeah. Gonna take one step closer.
Hold on.
Okay. You're bad at walking.
Not very intimidating right now.
Not at all.
Noises here. Did you just shoot already?
No.
Sorry. It's a bad habit. Yeah.
So you think we should take this outside?
I think we should. Jesus, you walk heavy.
Silence from the door here.
Yeah.
Is that Speedy Gonzalez? Nobody can ever catch that.
Mexican. Fast. Alright. I'm gonna do this. Alright.
I think I just dislocated my shoulder.
Yeah. I think you did.
Don't worry.
Shit's gonna get real now. Alright. How do you want to do this?
When I say draw.
I'm gonna aim for the nipple, okay? I don't know what we're doing.
I thought I heard a helicopter.
No, we're in the west.
We're in the west? There's no helicopters in the west?
Helicopters here.
Oh, we're not there yet?
No. Give it. A couple hundred years. Alright.
You already know that?
Yeah. I'm really fucking smart, okay?
That's not what Rhonda said.
Oh, yeah? Alright, let's do this. Alright. Now, which one of us
I got a
wants to shoot
machine
first?
gun.
You got a machine gun?
You know how many times I loaded?
Yeah, Rhonda says I got a machine gun in my trousers. I keep shooting and I keep missing.
Dance.
So I am shooting.
Your gun has no bullets.
And now, I'm dead.